Welcome back to Nano Discovery. Today, we have an incredibly exciting challenge, transforming a VinFast VF3 into a mini version of the Range Rover Defender. This promises to be a journey full of surprises and creativity. Join us as we embark on this inspiring transformation. First, we'll conduct a thorough inspection of the VinFast VF3 to evaluate the entire structure and details of the vehicle. This helps us clearly identify which areas need modifications and prepares us for the transformation ahead. After that, the team will come together to brainstorm creative ideas and develop a detailed plan for each part that requires adjustment, covering both the exterior and interior. The interior will be an essential starting point in this transformation process. We will begin by removing all the seats, ceiling liner, flooring, and other components to facilitate improvements within the space. We will apply soundproofing and heat insulating materials to the flooring, ceiling, and sides of the vehicle, aiming to provide the best possible experience for users. The use of these materials will not only minimize outside noise, but also ensure a comfortable interior temperature, even in extreme weather conditions. The application process will be carried out meticulously to ensure strong adhesion and long-lasting effectiveness. Next, we will begin the process of transforming the exterior of the vehicle. The first step in this journey is to improve the front end, aiming to turn it into a miniature version of the Range Rover Defender. To achieve this, changing the headlight assembly of the VinFast VF3 is essential. To carry out this task, our skilled technicians will need a variety of specialized tools, including cutting machines, welding equipment, and other devices. They will work meticulously and carefully, as any mistakes could impact the engine and other critical components of the vehicle. Next, we will use specialized composite materials to reshape the rear bumper of the vehicle. Composite materials are not only lightweight, but also highly durable, enhancing both the performance and aesthetics of the car. In addition, we will apply composite to the front bumper, creating harmony between the front and rear of the vehicle while capturing the rugged style characteristic of a Range Rover Defender. Our technicians will carefully perform each step of cutting, shaping, and assembling to ensure that all details are sharp and perfectly aligned with the overall design. We'll redesign the headlights to give the vehicle a fresh, powerful look inspired by the Range Rover Defender. These new headlights will enhance both aesthetics and visibility. We will continue to complete the remaining details of the bumper, ensuring each component is assembled precisely and harmoniously with the overall design. In the next phase of this transformation plan, we will proceed to redesign the door trim with the aim of not only enhancing functionality, but also providing a more luxurious appearance for the vehicle. We will design the armrest with a storage compartment for phones and wallets, along with a wireless charging port for quick charging without cables. A high-quality speaker system will enhance the audio experience. The front and rear bumpers of the vehicle will undergo processing, where we will sand down the surfaces to eliminate any imperfections and create a uniform finish. After that, we will repaint them to provide a fresh coat, enhancing the bumper's appearance and offering better protection against environmental factors. We will replace the wheels with a new set of rings, giving the vehicle a fresh and more powerful appearance. After installing the upgraded details, our VF3 has started to take on the shape of a miniature Range Rover Defender. These changes not only enhance the aesthetics, but also bring a sense of excitement to the user, making every journey more enjoyable. The rough structure of the door trim and armrest compartment has been preliminarily formed, marking an important step in the interior improvement process. These structures now have a clear shape, allowing us to visualize how the details will fit together. We will proceed to paint the exterior of the vehicle, starting by using tape to mask off areas that do not need to be painted, preventing any paint from splattering onto other components. The primary color for this vehicle will be a sleek black gray, giving it a strong and modern appearance. We will also carefully paint the smaller details to ensure a cohesive and polished overall look. After the paint has dried, we will begin reassembling the components that were previously removed. Each part will be carefully inspected and installed to ensure that everything fits perfectly together. For the interior, we decided to give the vehicle a completely new look by reupholstering all parts with premium black leather, a perfect choice to complement the overall design. Every detail, from the seats and steering wheel to the mirrors and door trim, has been meticulously wrapped with this luxurious leather, bringing cohesion and elegance to the space inside. Black will be the dominant color of the interior, creating a sense of sophistication, modernity, and strength. The high-quality leather not only provides maximum comfort, but also ensures durability over time, making it easy to clean and maintain. Finally, we reached the stage the entire team has been eagerly awaiting, reinstalling the interior to complete every detail, bringing out the final look of this miniature Range Rover Defender. Each component, from the seats, steering wheel, and door trim to the smallest details, is meticulously and carefully installed to ensure that everything fits perfectly, showcasing precision and dedication in every step. This is the pivotal moment as the vehicle takes on its stylish, powerful, and distinctive personality, transforming into a compact yet fully realized version of the iconic Defender. With each step of reassembly, we feel immense pride as we see the vehicle come together, ready to make a lasting impression and deliver an incredible driving experience for its new owner. Next, we applied the final touch by reapplying the roof decal, completing the transformation of the VF3 into a perfectly realized miniature version of the Range Rover Defender. Now, this vehicle isn't just stunning in appearance, but offers every functional feature needed to provide the owner with an exceptional driving experience. Under the skilled and meticulous craftsmanship of our expert team, every detail on the VF3 has been completed with the highest precision, bringing an entirely new look to the vehicle. Each line and contour, from the exterior to the interior, reflects the dedication and care of the team. After all the effort and time invested, the VF3 is now not just a miniature version of the Range Rover Defender, but a truly remarkable creation. This transformation elevates not only its external appearance, but also its functionality, delivering a stylish and premium driving experience for its owner. This result is a testament to the passion and commitment of our craftsmen, turning every journey with the VF3 into a flawless and unforgettable experience. Thus, the transformation of the VF3 has been successfully completed. Thank you for accompanying us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos, where we'll bring you more creative and unique projects. See you again soon.